Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. E to the power of 3y minus x, we can write into e to the power of 3y multiplied by e to the power of negative x. Next, the x will go to the right, e to the power of 3y will go to the left, and you got about dy over e to the power of 3y equals to e to the power of negative x dx. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. And this one we can write into e to the power of negative 3y dy. Now, this integration you will got about negative e to the power of negative 3y over 3. This integration you got about negative e to the power of negative x plus c. Next, we simplify negative. We know that negative c we can put about positive c because the constant they can be about positive or negative. Next, we can write on this way. You will go about 1 over 3e to the power of 3y equals to 1 over e to the power of x plus c. And this is the final answer. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.